Welcome to this look at the Oidizac multifunctional laminator. This will take a standard A4 size paper, or if you're in America, 8.5 by 11 sheets will work. Now, this guy is really attractively priced and comes with a lot of functionality. It's got a built-in mat cutter on the top. Let's get this plugged in and find out what makes this thing tick. Now, this is a switch on the back. It's an ABS switch. You use that if something gets stuck and you need to get it out. That'll help you in pulling it free if it gets wound up around the roller. But we need to wait for this guy to warm up. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes for it to come up to temperature if you're doing thermal laminating. And we're going to get ready here. We're going to get one of these pouches out. And it comes with a bunch of really good quality laminating pouches here. These aren't super heavy duty, but they're going to get the job done. And you do get quite a good amount of them. Now, in this little storage cubby here, we've got some really neat stuff. These are all things that make laminating really work. These are split rings. We've got a hole punch, and we've got a corner clipper. This makes a beautiful rounded corner clip on your laminations so that you don't have that sharp edge sticking out there. And the hole puncher does what it says. It makes holes. Now, these are tabs for the laminate cutter on the top. And, I thought it was kind of neat. They gave us 3 of them. I don't know what you're going to use 3 of them for. Maybe they figure you'll lose one. But now we're going to green here. We're ready to do some laminating. Let's get this business card fed in there. And I've got it about as centered as I can get it. So it's going to feed in slowly and do its job and do all of the laminating work for us. And then we'll get a look at what this looks like coming out the other end. And there it is. Presto. Just like that. We've got a really nicely laminated product here. And this mat cutter is just a delight to use to get really precise, accurate trimming done on this. And this corner cutter, man, I fell in love with this. You get a really nice radius smooth corner on your laminations. And the hole puncher is really handy too if you want to hang something on a lanyard or you want to hang a sign on a post. You've got a way to get a really quick hole in place. Now, I wanted to trim this a little bit more and play around with the mat cutter and then use the corner cutter some more. I got to admit, I really like the corner cutter. But, it all comes with this whole kit. I thought this was a fantastic price for a whole lot of functionality. It really does work well. And I love that everything stores like right in the garage cubby underneath. And we can just fold that door up, get out of the way. Now, if you want to close this up for minimum size, you can remove this tab that you put in and stow it back in the garage here for use later on. It's quite clever how they've got everything planned out on this. So thanks for watching me. And by the way, they do come with a really good English manual. It's pretty easy on the eyes. Thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great week.
Shutterstock Music.